Every app you use, every AI tool you hear about, there's a high chance Python is behind it. But here's the truth. Python is actually the easiest programming language to learn. In this video, I'll teach you Python from absolute zero using simple visuals, no confusing jargon. By the end of this video, you'll understand variables, conditions, loops, functions, and how real programs work, even if you've never coded before. Section 1. What is Python? Python is a language used to give instructions to computers. Just like English helps humans communicate, Python helps you communicate with machines. This line tells the computer, display text. You just have to give text to be displayed to in built print function. Section 2. Variables made simple. A variable is just a container that stores data. You can store text, numbers, or even lists. Here, name is a string variable. Age and score are integer variables. Section 3. Conditions. Decision-making. Conditions. Let your program make decisions. The program checks the rule, then chooses a path. Here you can clearly see how if-else helps to make a decision. If the value of age variable is greater than equal to 18, it will print adult else minor. Section 4. Loops. Repeat tasks automatically. Loops repeat tasks, so you don't have to write the same code again and again. This tells Python, run this 5 times. Here for loop helps to print 0 to 4, instead writing print function for 5 times. Section 5. Functions. Reusable code blocks. A function is like a recipe. Write once, use anytime. You can simply use greet function to print anything and any number of time. Section 6. How real programs work. All real software follows this structure. Section 7. What you can build with Python. With Python you can build AI systems, automation tools, websites, games, data analysis, dashboards. If you understood this video, congratulations. You already know more programming than 80% of beginners. Comment Python, and I'll send your next learning roadmap.